विद रिस्पेक्ट टू पॉलिटी, आज भी मुझे सर वो पार्लियामेंट्री कमिटीज का याद नहीं आता है.
हाँ,
आई होप यू अग्री विद दैट.
इवन आई एग्री विद
या
दैट. मुझे प्रॉब्लम रहती थी जो डिफरेंट एक्ट थे, रेगुलेशन एक्ट और पिट्स इंडिया एक्ट और मॉन्टेमिरलो रिफॉर्म्स,
हाँ हाँ
मॉन्टेग्यू कैम्सफोर्ड, उसमें मुझे
एग्जैक्टली,
बड़ी प्रॉब्लम
जो
रहती थी.
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल
वो मैं
डेवलपमेंट था.
सुबह मॉर्निंग तक जाते हुए याद करते हुए जाता था. सो
एंड सेम ज्योग्राफी में वो मिनरल रिसोर्सेज वाला.
हाँ, ऐसे कुछ टॉपिक्स थे जो नहीं याद रहते थे,
या
जिसको बार
बिल्कुल
बार पढ़ना पड़ता था,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
अगेन
बिल्कुल.
एंड अगेन एंड अगेन एंड
यस
अगेन. मेरे
यस.
साथ ऐसे कई टॉपिक्स थे.
या
एज आई सेड, मुझे याद आया, ये वाले प्रॉब्लम है, मैंने 3 पेज बना रखे थे, उसे मैं याद ही करता रहता था हर
exactly
एग्जाम में.
exactly. So in history also there are a lot of books, authors, and I remember that foreign travelers with the various kingdoms and all those things. So there's a very beautiful scene in the Kung Fu Panda movie where the panda is trying to see its image in
It
the
has 3
water.
parts. Which part you're talking about?
I guess it's the first part.
Okay.
So I guess in that particular movie, the panda is seeing its image in the water, and it so happens that water is not still. So water is moving, and then Master Shifu, who is training panda in that particular movie, says you are not been able to see your image just because the water is wavering.
Yes. It's not only about stress in UPSC preparation. Stress is a part of life. Whenever you do something which you value, and always there's a fear of failure associated with that. The moment the fear of failure comes, you are bound to be under stress.
Maybe a student can be brilliant because more brilliant a mind is, first it is capable of first analyzing itself, its own weaknesses and the problems.
In psychology, there's a law called Yerkes-Dodson law, which says that you have to be optimally motivated for your best performance. If you are less motivated or highly motivated, in both the cases, your performance will going to be under down.
Like even if we say 100 times to students कि stress mat lo, but it, like I said, it is easier said than done. Students will obviously take the stress.
So what you are suggesting basically that students should start watching movies also in the last 20-25 days.
Not now. Not now. So what I feel is if we actually need to bring down the stress level, the fear of the prelims that they might not clear prelims, that fear should reduce, and the confidence that they'll clear prelims, that should increase.
भूत रात में अंधेरे में ही दिखते हैं, दिन के उजाले में, मतलब चिलचिलाती धूप में तो नहीं दिख रहे होते. When you look towards a thing in a very clear, objective way, you can always make the problem far more easier for you to solve.